Father, you've created Ray and Elana in your image. You put them together. And as they start this next chapter in their lives together, we ask for your blessing on them. Help them by your grace that they may honor and keep the promises and vows that they make here today.
Elana, today, surrounded by those who have supported our journey, I will fulfill the greatest honor of my life of becoming your husband. I promise to be a husband of the Lord, to cherish you as my heavenly wife, and to hold on to you forever.
Ray, today is the day you become my husband. And with that, I'm giving the greatest gift I could ask for, the chance to love you, stand beside you, and choose you for the rest of my life. I will spend the rest of my life loving you in all the ways you deserve. Forever begins today, and I thank God it begins with you.
Ray and Elana, in God's presence and before this company, you have made your promises to each other to be helpful and faithful in your life together. Inasmuch as you have pledged your love to one another in this fashion, I now declare you to be husband and wife in the name of the Father and the Son and the Holy Spirit, and you should definitely kiss your bride.